H97S microwave, and the door hook assembly is not operating like I think it should. So we're seeing the primary latch, short switch and secondary latch switch not actuating as the door closes. So just want to demonstrate that with a video here and see what you guys think. This is us looking at the door latch assembly. So the door is open. And when we have a look in here at the assembly, the first question is everything in the right location as far as the components of the door latch? So is that what it should look like when it's open? That's the first part of it. And as it closes, I can get some light on it. So as the unit closes, I would have expected that to have moved. It doesn't seem to have. So we get open and close. So we're not getting any movement there. So I'm wondering whether there's meant to be some sort of spring loading there. And again, with the primary latch, we're not seeing movement across the switches as the door opens and closes. The service manual is not all that clear about when you look at the diagrams of this area. So this is with the door opened, and then as it closes, again, see if I can get some light on it. There we go. And then closed. So we're not seeing any movement in the door latch assembly. The assembly itself looks like it's in the original position by virtue of where the screw marks were when it was removed and put back in. So be interested to see what we're doing wrong there.